Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something truly exciting to discuss, the Sony Bravia XR X93L Mini LED 4K TV. Sony has been a pioneer in the world of television technology and this model is no exception. I am going to delve into the specifications, features and what make it stand out in the crowded TV market. So let's find out. Before starting this video, the buy link is given in the description and you can buy this TV from Amazon in discounted price. Alright, first up let's talk about the display. This TV is available in 3 different sizes such as 65, 75 and 85 inches. The Sony X93L boasts a genius OLED display with stunning 4K resolution of 3840 by 2160. What sets it apart is the fault or full array local dimming backlight technology. This provides exceptional contrast and deeper blacks, make your viewing experience truly immersive. Plus it's HDR compatible, supporting HDR10, Dolby Vision and hybrid log gamma HLG for life-liking colors and exceptional details. But it is not just about the hardware. It's what under the hood that matters. The cognitive processor XR powers this TV, offering advanced features like 4K upscaling, dual database processing and Super XR resolution. XR Clear Image ensures crystal clear visuals, while XR Luminous Pros and XR Anti-Aliasing enhance colors and reduce jagged edges. And for fast moving content, you have got XR Motion Clarity, VRR and ALLM support. Now let's talk about the connectivity. With 4K HDMI ports including 2 HDMI 2.1, you are all set for the latest gaming consoles. Plus there is TV tuner with multiple digital and analog inputs, ensuring you can connect all your devices effortlessly. Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 4.2 and 2 USB ports offer versatile options for wireless and wired connections. And if you prefer a wired connection, there is an Ethernet port too. Audio enthusiasts will appreciate the 60-watt sound output with acoustic multi-audio plus and frame tweeter technology. It's like having a built-in soundbar. The TV supports Dolby Audio and Dolby Atmos for truly cinematic audio experience. And with DTS digital surround, your audio experience will be top-notch. Plus, the auto calibration feature ensure your sound settings are optimized for your room. Now let's dive into the smart feature. The Sony X90L, no slouch here. It supports popular virtual assistant like Amazon, Alexa and Google Assistant, making voice control a breeze. It runs on the Google TV platform and comes with genius 32 GB of built-in memory. The Bravia Cam allows for video calling and Eco Dashboard helps you monitor your TV's energy consumption. As for the design, the TV impresses with its slim profile without stand. It measures 1443 into 835 into 60 mm, and with the stand it's 1443 into 846 by 343 mm. You can even position the stand as a soundbar. Unique look at 1443 by 907 into 343 mm. It's beautifully designed TV that ensure to enhance the aesthetics of any room. And for those concerned about energy consumption, the X93L is quite efficient. It consumes 359 watts when it's used and just 0.5 watts in standby mode, helping you save on your electricity bills. So that's it for Sony Bravia XR X93L Mini LED 4K TV. With its incredible display, powerful processor, immersive sound and smart feature, it is a fantastic addition to any home entertainment setup. If you are looking for the top of the line TV that delivers exceptional quality and performance, the X93L is certainly worth considering. Thanks for tuning in today, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews. Until next time, see you, bye bye.